Hello kids, Shubhamangalam. Welcome to Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina, taking standard first subject science. Standard first subject science. Open your science textbook. Open your science textbook. Open your science textbook. Today we will do assessment 2. Already one has been completed. Yes, one has been completed in textbook. Did you finish? Now today we will do assessment 2. Revision of chapter 2 to 4 to 7. We will revise once again these chapters 4, 5, 6 and 7. Assessment 2, page number 115. Page number 115. Shall I read first question? Yes. Write the uses of air shown by the pictures below. Uses of air. We have learned in our previous lesson uses of air. Say me why we need air. We need air to breathe. Animals also need air to breathe, and also to fly kites, to fill air in a balloon. What we will fill in a balloon? Yes, to get the shape, we will fill air in a balloon. We will fill air in football to get the shape. So, air is very important. To move the windmills, to move the blades of windmill also we need air. To dry clothes also we need air. So, here's few pictures are given. You should recognize that picture and you should write the uses of air. Now, what this person is doing? He is filling air in the tire. What he is doing? He is filling air in the tire. Second picture. This is known as windmill. This is known as windmill. Windmill has blades. 1, 2, 3, 4 blades you can see. If the air moves very fast, the blades of this windmill will move and it will generate electricity. Now what is this picture? Air. How air is helped for these clothes? To dry. Air helps clothes to dry. Wet clothes we will hang it on a rope so that air touches these clothes and it will be dry. Now what you can see in this picture, how air is useful for this boy? To fly kite. To fly kite. Now the lines are given. In that line you will write the uses of air. First one. Filling up tire. What this person is doing in the first one? He is filling up air. No? F-I. You to write in your textbook along with me. Start writing. Page number 115. Write in your textbook. F-I-L-L-I-N-G. Filling. F-I-L-L-I-N-G. Filling. U-P up. U-P up. U-P up. T-Y-R-E-S. Tires. Only small line is given. No, you write filling up and tires down. Okay. Filling up and tires down. Write in this way only. Place won't be sufficient in one line. In the small single line, you can't write all these 3 words. So, write in this way. 2 words write up and third word write down. F-I-L-L-I-N-G. Filling. U-P up. T-Y-R-E-S. Tires. Filling up tires. Air is needed to fill air in tires. Yes. Cycle tubes you have tires in cycle also. It will become soft. What you will do? You will fill air in your cycle tire so that it will get the shape and it will move smoothly on the road. Next one. Moving the windmill. Second one. M-O-V. In the second dash write. M-O-V-I-N-G. Moving. T-H-E. The. Moving the right up. W-I-N-D. Wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. M-I-L-L. Mill. Windmill. Down you write windmill. Moving the windmill. How air is helpful in the second picture? To move the windmill. M-O-V-I-N-G. Moving. T-H-E. The. W-I-N-D. Wind. M-I-L-L. M-I-L-L. Not W-I-L-L. W-I-N-D. Wind. M-I-L-L. Mill. M-I-L-L. Mill. Windmill. Right. M-O-V-I-N-G. Moving. T-H-E. The. W-I-N-D. Wind. M-I-L-L. Mill. Moving the windmill. Third one. Drying clothes. Third picture. How air is important here? How air is useful here? To dry clothes. No? TO, to DRY, dry. CLOTHES, clothes, to dry clothes, right? To dry clothes. TO, to DRY, dry. CLOTHES, clothes, to dry clothes. Fourth picture, flying the kite. How air is useful here in the fourth picture? To fly the kite. FLYING, flying. THE, the, flying the. KITE, kite, flying the kite, right? Write it in the same way. Line is given, no, it's not sufficient to write all this. So, in first lines are given, in that you write two words, and third word you write below the line, okay? FILLING, filling. UP, up. TYRES, tires, filling up tires. MOVING, moving. THE, the. WIND, wind. MILL, mill, moving the windmill. TO2, DRY, dry. CLOTHES, clothes, to dry clothes. FLYING, flying. THE, the. KITE, kite, flying the kite. Yes, finish writing. Now turn to page number 116. Page number 116. We will read questions in your textbook. You will see in your textbook when I am reading. You will place your finger on that word and you will read along with me. Okay, only answers I am going to write it on the board. You will copy answers in your textbook. We will read questions from textbook. Come on, see your textbook. First one, fill in the blanks. So which one is this? Fill in the blanks. First one, A1, PLS. Place your finger on the word which I am reading. PLANTS. What is this? PLANTS. Plants. GIVE, give. OUT, out. Dash. WHEN, when. WHEN, when. THEY, they. THEY, they. MAKE, make. THEIR, there. FOOD, food. Now listen carefully. Plants give out dash when they make their food. When what plants give out? What we are breathing in? Air. No, that air is known as what? Oxygen. What air we are breathing in is known as oxygen. From where we are getting this oxygen? From plants. So plants are giving out oxygen. Plants give out oxygen. That oxygen we are breathing. So first one you will write OXY. First bit is completed. Yes. Second, fill in the blanks. FILL, fill. IN, in. THE, the. BLANKS, blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, A1. Plants give out oxygen. Oxygen spelling OXYGEN. Oxygen. Come on, write it in the dash. OXYGEN. 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 Come on, write A1. Plants give out oxygen. Plants give out oxygen when they make their food. Come on, read first one, learn first dash. Plants give out oxygen when they make their food. Come on, you read now. Plants give out oxygen when they make their food. Got it? Now second one. PEOPLE, people. PEOPLE, people. WHO, who. STAY, stay. NEAR, near. OUR, our. HOUSE, house. ARER, people who stay near our house are our neighbors. No, people who live near our house are our neighbors. People who live near house are neighbors. So second dash, right? NEIGHBOURS, neighbors. NEIGHBOURS, neighbors. NEIGHBOURS, neighbors. Learn second dash. People who stay near our house are neighbors. Say, read. People who stay near our house are neighbors. Third one. W-E-V-M-U-S-T, must. A-L-W-A-Y-S, always. W-E-A-R, where. Dash, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. We must always wear dash clothes. We all wear clothes. Yes, we all wear clothes. So which type of clothes you should wear? Clean clothes. Always we should wear washed and clean clothes. So write in the third dash. C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Learn. We must always wear clean clothes. Say, we must always wear clean clothes. Fourth one. Yes, finish writing C-L-E-A-N, clean in the dash. Yes. We must always wear clean clothes. Fourth one. W-E-V-W-E-A-R, wear. A-2-S-C-H-O-O-L, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. We wear a dash to school. What you will wear to school? When you come to school, you will wear colored dress and come to school. What you will wear? Uniform. What we will wear? Uniform. Write the spelling. D1 write. D dash. U-N-I. Yes. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. Read fourth one. We wear a uniform to school. Say, we wear a uniform to school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Fifth one. W-E-V-B-R-U-S-H, brush. O-U-R, our. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. I-A-N-D, and. T-A-K-E, take. B-A-T-H, bath. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. Dash. We brush our teeth and take bath in the, when you will brush and when you will take bath, in the afternoon, in the night, when you will brush your teeth, in the morning. Yes, we brush and we take bath in the morning. We brush and we take bath in the morning. Come on, write morning spelling. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Say it right. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Read this sentence. We brush our teeth and take bath in the morning. Say once again. We brush our teeth and take bath in the morning. Next. Moving air is called what? Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. Wind spelling. W-I-N-D, wind. W-I-N-D, wind. Moving air is called wind. Say, moving air is called wind. O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-S, neighbors. C-L-E-A-N, clean. U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. W-I-N-D, wind. Yes, did you finish filling the blanks in your textbook? In these gaps, you should write these words. Okay, completed? Write it neatly. Those who did not finish, see the board and write. O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-S, neighbors. C-L-E-A-N, clean. U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. W-I-N-D, wind. Yes, next third bit now. This is second bit. Now third bit, true or false. Write W-R-I-T, write true or false. Write true or false. Next one. I am reading, you should answer now. True means if the sentence is correct, you will say true. If the sentence given is wrong, incorrect sentence, false. River is the main source of all the waters on the earth. From river only we get water. River only is the main source of water for us. No, seas, rivers, lakes, ponds, oceans, all these are sources of water, not only river. River is also one source of water. We have many sources like seas, oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds, all these are sources of water. Source means from where we get water. River, from river only we get water. At home, we have rivers near our house. We go and fill water from river and come. No, we have many other sources. We have lakes, we have seas, oceans, and when we open the tap at home, we get water from our tank. No, so river is the main source of water. No, we have many sources. Here they told only river is only the main source. So it is false. In the first box, you will write F, false. In the first box, you will write F, false. Second question I am reading, listen. A, P-O-L-I-C-E, police. W-E-A-R-S, wears. A, U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. A police wears a uniform. Policeman also have a uniform or no? Yes, police also, like you have uniform when you come to school, no? Some people, those who go to work also, they have uniform. Policeman also has uniform. Postman also have uniform. Doctors also have white coat uniform. So, not only you people, students have uniform. People, those who go to work also, they have uniform. So, policeman also has uniform. So, second dash right, true. Policeman has uniform. Yes, true. Third sentence. A, F-I-R-E, fire. M-A-N, man. U-S-E-S, uses. W-A-T-E-R, water. T-O, P-U-T, put. O-U-T, out. F-I-R-E, fire. When I am reading the word, you should able to say which word is that? When I am reading the spelling, you should say the word. When I am reading the spelling, F-I-R-E, when I am saying, you should say fire. O-U-T, out. O-U-T, when I say, you should say out. Yes, when I am saying, reading the spelling, you should be able to say the spelling of the word. You should be able to read the word. A fireman uses water to put out fire. Yes, to put out fire we need water. Yes, if any place catches fire, we call to fire engine. No, fire person, they come with one big tank full of water and they will pour water on the fireplace so that it will be off. Yes, a fireman uses water to put out fire. Yes, true. If the sentence is yes, then it is true. Fourth question, listen. E-A-C-H, each, R-O-O-M, room, I-N, in, A, H-O-U-S-E, what is this? H-O-U-S-E, house, H-A-S, has, I-T-S, its. Before I say the word, when I am reading the spelling, before I say the word, you should be able to say which word is that, okay? I-T-S, its, O-W-N, own, U-S-E, use. Each room in a house has its own use. Each room, how many rooms we have in a house? We have kitchen, we have bedroom, we have washroom, yes, we have dining room, we have, excuse me, we have living room, yes, we have kitchen, we have bedroom, we have washroom, we have living room, means hall, dining room to eat food. So each room has its own use. Yes or no? Each room has its own use or not? Yes. In bedroom, we'll sleep. In kitchen, we cook food. In living room, we will sit and watch TV. Yes. In study room, you will study. In dining room, we will eat food. So each room has its own use. Yes. Yes. So in all the rooms, we'll do the same work? No. Different room. In washroom, we take bath, we brush teeth. Yes. So here they told each room in a house has its own use. Yes. In each room house, we have rooms in a house. So each room has its own use. Bedroom, we sleep. Kitchen we will cook. So each room has its own use. True. This is also true. Fourth one, right? True. Finished? Now fourth bit. Answer the following question. This true or false, write it in the boxes here. Answer the following questions. Name any two things that we can decorate our house with. With what we decorate during festivals, birthdays, with what we decorate our house with. When festival times comes, when festival days, on birthdays, on special days, what we use to decorate our house, you can say any two. Yes, with flowers and lights. Yes, with flowers and lights. With flowers and lights. These question answers you will write it in. I will explain. Yes, fourth bit I will explain you question answers. You should write these question answers in your classwork. Yes, if you know without seeing you can write. If you don't know, you have answer key. No, click on that. You can copy the answers in your classwork. Okay, I will explain. We decorate our house with flowers and lights. Flowers and lights and rangoli also we use on Diwali festival. Lights also we use. Lamps also we use to decorate our house. You can write any two. Next one. Write two ways in which we can keep the air clean. Write any two ways with which we can keep the air clean. Air is very important for us now to take breathe. If air is clean, then only what we are breathing air that grows inside will be clean. So what we should do to keep the air clean? We should plant more trees so that more of the oxygen we get, more of the fresh oxygen we get, and that we can breathe in. So first one, we should plant more trees, and we should not burn things. If you burn things, what will happen? Smoke, dust comes out and it will be mixed in that air, making the air dirty. So we should not burn things, or we should not burn crackers. Third question. Why do we need water? Say, why do we need water? Only for drinking? We need water for drinking, cooking, washing clothes, watering water, watering for plants, washing car, washing scooters, washing your bicycle, cleaning the floor. Yes, washing clothes. Water is very important in our life. Yes, water is very important in our life. There are many uses of water. Here you can write any 5 uses of why do we need water. We need water for drinking. We need water for drinking, cooking. Any 5 uses of water you can write. Drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning. Okay, any 5. These question answers you will write in your question answers. You are going to write it in your classwork. Now one more bit. 5th one is there. Listen. Name the following. The room in which we cook our food. Say in which room we cook food. First one, 5th bit, first one I am reading. 5th bit, first one I am reading. Question answers you will write in your classwork. 5th bit, first one I am reading. A1. The room in which we cook our food. Say in which room we cook our food. Bedroom, living room, dining room, or kitchen. Where we cook our food? Kitchen. Yes, where we cook our food? Kitchen. Yes, mummy cooks food in kitchen. So write the first dash. Here 3 dashes are given. Yes, write it in these dashes. First dash. K-I-T-C-H-E-N kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N kitchen. Finish. Second one shall I read? You should say answer. We wear this on a rainy day. What you will wear on a rainy day? When it is raining, what you will wear and come to school? Raincoat. What you will wear and come to school when it is raining? Raincoat. So write second dash. R-A-I-N. Rain. C-O-A-T. Coat. Raincoat. R-A-I-N. Rain. C-O-A-T. Coat. Raincoat. Third one shall I read? Yes. We need this to fill tires and balloons. What we need to fill in tires and balloons? Here what is filled in the tire here? What is filled in the tire? Air is filled in the tires and balloons to give the shape. AIR, air. So third one, right? AIR, air. AIR, air. Once again, shall we read this with spellings? Fifth bit. A1 I am reading, put finger. THE, the. ROOM, room. IN, in. WHICH, I am reading the spelling. You should be able to say the word. WHICH, which. WEV, COOK, cook. OUR, our. FOOD, food. The room in which we cook our food, kitchen. KITCHEN, kitchen. KITCHEN, kitchen. Second one. WEV, WEAR, where. THIS, this. ON, on. RAINY, rainy. DAY, day. We wear this on a rainy day, raincoat. RAIN, rain. COAT, coat, raincoat. C1, WEV, NEED, need. THIS, this. TO2, FILL, fill. TYRES, tires. and. BALLOONS, balloons. BALLOONS, balloons. We need this to fill in tires and balloons. AIR, air. Now sixth one, see. Draw and color a picture of a thing. You should draw and color a picture of a thing that you must carry with you on a rainy day. Yes, on a rainy day, what you should carry? You should draw and you should color. You can draw a raincoat and color, or you can draw an umbrella. Yes, we carry raincoats and umbrellas. No, when it is raining, so you can draw raincoat or umbrella, or both also you can draw and color. Okay, you should draw raincoat or umbrella. If you know to draw both raincoat, umbrella and color it. Yes, this is also your homework. So fourth bit question answers you will write in classwork, and sixth bit drawing you will do it in classwork. So two homeworks are there for you today. HW homework. WRITE, write fourth bit question and answers, and sixth bit in CW, in classwork. Okay, fourth bit question answers you should write, and also sixth bit draw and color also you should do it in classwork. Okay, understood what is your homework? You should write question answers in classwork, and also sixth bit you have drawing and coloring. What you will draw and color? Raincoat, umbrella you will draw and color. These two things you are going to do it in your classwork. So our assessment 2 also completed. Assessment 2 has been completed. Now what is your work? You should write question answers, you should draw, and after that you should be able to read all these sentences. If you learn all this, no, that means you are revising once again all the lessons. So learn. Try to read all these sentences. If you read only, you will understand how better you are in reading. Yes. So try to, after completing your work, learn this all second, third, fifth bit. Okay. Second, third and fifth bit objective you should read from your textbook. So complete your work in classwork, and also your textbook work should be completed with good and neat handwriting. Thank you, children.